welcome everyone to the Cryptoforex market channel. Today is going to be a special one, and today we're going to be looking at all the altcoins that literally, most of them anyway, I want to look at literally where you could actually buy in cheap. And yes, I've been looking at XRP lately, but I want to touch on some of the other altcoins literally are giving really good performance at the moment. Yeah, so let me start on XRP USD first, and then I'm going to touch on some of the other altcoins that literally I could find good areas for you actually to buy in at the moment. Yeah, as I said again, this year 2021, I believe that is going to be altcoin season. And looking at the chart, I'm going to go straight to XRP USD. We're doing really well here because last week I spoke about XRP USD going to the upside, and what it's done, it actually broke out my triangle area and went to the upside. So let me just increase this screen so you could see more of what I'm actually seeing at the moment. So right here, you could see how, when was it, on the 9th of February, which was just this week, you could see how it broke out of my triangle area and went straight up to the outside. Yeah, so those of you that actually bought in around this area, well done. At this present time, it's doing a little retrace at the moment, and I believe that it's going to retrace down to this area here, down to the 50 cent area from where it broke out from, or even potentially anywhere around this area here. So yeah, it's looking very good, and I expect it to go to the $1 mark soon, actually very soon. I can't actually tell when, but the way it's moving, the way it's behaving, I could definitely see that happening at some point soon. Yeah, within this year, but very soon anyway. But at the moment, price is actually doing a retrace at the moment. If I just scroll down and just zoom in right here on the 4-hour, I'll show you exactly what's going on. Yeah, so it's slowing down at the moment. And if I open up my RSI, yeah, RSI has come down a bit. However, I believe it's going to be stabilize itself around this area. And then I've got my stochastics here, and eventually it's going to go back up again. However, this is the last time where it pulled off, and you can see on my stochastic, it pulled off from that area. Then it spiked down, which is around here, this level here. And now we're back down here again. Yeah, so potentially I could see this area being tested around this area here. Now, if we zoom out on the daily time frame, I'll just widen up my screen a bit more. Let's take out the indicators below, because I prefer, to be honest, to use price action, which is looking at the candles, to give me the full picture of what's going on with price. So XRP is doing really well at the moment. Potentially, yeah, we're gonna go to the $1 mark at some point, and then eventually reach to the $2 mark. So those of you that have actually bought in, please comment, please like, because exactly what I said, it's done. For the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 5 days, it's actually been very bullish, very, very bullish. If I go and look at my RSI, you could see the breakout here. It's gone right above. Yeah, all the blue lines above the red line, that means it's bullish here. The RSI is quite strong. Previously it was bullish here. I've got indicator actually giving me that bull indication here. I like to use sometimes some additional indication as well to tell me what price really wants to do. Sometimes when I feel like, okay, what's going on right here, I like to have more than one indicator to tell me what's going on. So I'm just going to zoom out from here, and then yeah, XRP is doing well. So literally myself, I've just, I don't even look at my investment, what I've put in. I just close it because I know XRP, I know that it's doing well anyway. But anyway, I want to literally jump into another currency at the moment, and I want to just look at Bitcoin, and then I'll look at the other coins at the moment here. All right, then let me just jump to Bitcoin. So whoever's bought in Bitcoin, let me see what's happening right now. So I'm going to look at the daily, because I always like to look at the daily to give me a clear picture of what price is going to do. So we're on the daily at the moment, as you can see. So, okay, this mouse has come off. Let me just click it back on. Well, mouse likes to play up sometimes. So yeah, we're on the daily here. So this is like a very strong daily candle that broke up to the upside on the 8th of February. So if I could put, because that was looks like that was a resistant area around this area here. Yeah, just delete that, get out of the way. So yeah, looks like it's pushing up still. It's very bullish for Bitcoin at the moment. I was hoping for a break below and to come down to this level. If we get a break below, I'll just draw it in. If we get a break below like this, then that's what I expect with Bitcoin. However, if we don't, and we just get a break here, then potentially we could bounce up here. So those are the two scenarios that could happen for Bitcoin at the moment that I see. Yeah, because Bitcoin is still got a lot of strength in it. So if I see a break of this level here, which I will call support level, now was resistant, now turned support, as you could see the test that we got here on this daily candle, then it's come up bullish. If I see another reaction where it literally breaks through this level here and then test this area to come here, forming an M formation, then I see Bitcoin going down. But at the moment, it's quite bullish. So me, myself, I wouldn't personally invest in Bitcoin at the moment. It's too high for me right now to invest in, to even buy. If I was to buy Bitcoin, these are the areas that I'm looking at on the daily time frame. I'm looking at this area here because it's too bullish at the moment. If I just go out onto the weekly, yeah, it's very, very bullish. So I'm looking definitely for that to retrace at least and go further up, or actually break through this. But the way it's looking, it looks very, very bullish. So yeah, I'll for me, yeah, even the RSI, that could easily go up. So yeah, that could easily continue going up. Anyway, I'm going to go and look at the other coins at the moment, and we're going to look at, okay, let's look at Ethereum. So those of you that is invested in Ethereum or want to invest in Ethereum, Ethereum is looking very good. So that's the weekly time frame. Weekly is very bullish. If I go to the daily, daily's bullish as well. But at this present time, it appears like it wants to retrace. Yeah, it wants to come down. So if that's going to come down, I'll get my fibs and I'll see the possible retracement levels. So yeah, if I see this, literally, I could see this potentially, we could get a retrace where I'll be looking at for this to come to this level, 32, 38 fib, or potentially around this level here, 61.71, and then buying up here. Yeah, so potentially my buys will be around this area here. That will be my buys for Ethereum. Let's look at the potential highs. Yeah, it's very strong. It's even gone past the previous high, which was back in, was it January 2018? Yeah, it's gone past that previous high. It's literally broken the previous high, Ethereum. So Ethereum is doing really well. And you know, Ethereum is an altcoin, which, as I said, we're in altcoin season at the moment. So yeah, it's definitely very bullish. So looking at retrace levels, yeah, it's broken past the, yeah, January 2018. It's broken past that level, so you could see like it's tested around this level already on the weekly. Yeah, it's tested on that level already. Potentially, I can't see this breaking below this level here around the 1000 mark. Yeah, it's going to be above. As you could see, my green EMA, I've got my blue and my red, it's above. If I go down to the lower time frames, it's at least a 4-hour time frame. See what it's doing now. Yeah, yeah, we're getting a bit of consolidation there. So when you see consolidation, that tells me that price either wants to change the direction where it's going, and potentially this could actually test this area, then continue going up, or it could stay around this area. I can't see it going any further down, but yeah, this is looking good. This is looking very good for a buy. Potentially, I'll wait around this level before any buys. So yeah, that's Ethereum. Ethereum is doing really well. It's at 18,000 at the moment, 1,800. Yeah, it's doing very well. So from February 21, this thing is just taken off. So this potentially, this area here, from 100 fib where it broke out, this would have been a good buy area here. That area there. Yeah, but potentially at the moment, we could see it's slowing down. So potentially we could have some pullbacks coming here. And then I would say, yeah, to safely put your buys around this area here. You could see that it tested this level that it broke out of already. So yeah, potentially around this area. Okay, all right, I'm gonna go into the next coin. Let's go for, okay, let's go for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is looking good as well. I'll show you something that I'm looking at as well. So you're probably wondering, how do I know, you know, looking at the prices, how do I know it's the right price to buy? So if you go to it's cracking.com, you could actually buy your currencies from here. Cracking.com is a very good site. I don't personally use it at the moment, but I plan to use it very soon. The one that I use is Wirex, but with Cracking, they actually give you more coins to buy. So when I go to Dogecoin, Dogecoin currently is at 0.045p as Cracking has got it. So I would go for the lowest coins to buy in at. So if you're looking to buy and you think, oh, what coins is best to buy in? Yes, definitely go for the cryptocurrency altcoins rather than Bitcoin, because that's too high at the moment. Look at that, 35,000. Ethereum's behind that 1,000 and odd. However, Tether is good to buy. Ripple, you're looking at 0.43, which I've bought already. So you got Padlock, that's at 19,000. Yeah, 19 pounds at the moment, not 19,000, sorry. Uniswap, you got loads of them. But yeah, let's focus on the one that I'm looking at, Dogecoin here. Yeah, so that's looking good. So yeah, this is the website. If you want to buy all your cryptocurrencies, you can come to this website. Very good website. A friend of mine recommended me to this. He's actually bought into it and he's doing really well. He's bought most of his coins from here. So yeah, this is a very good site. So yeah, cracking.com if you ever want to buy your crypto. Let's go to Dogecoin. Dogecoin is the same thing. If I zoom out, is very bullish. Yeah, so you can see on the weekly is we're getting a retrace at the moment happening. So yeah, it's going to come down a bit more. I'm going to the 4 hour. Go back to the daily, give me a better view. So yeah, potentially around this level here, you could see where it broke out of. So if I get this box, this is a good level to buy in at, around this level here. That's a very good level. Yeah, you can see it's testing, literally testing this area here, the breakout area. The breakout was around this area here. So this is where we're getting the test. So again, this is a good area to buy in at for Dogecoin, which is quite cheap. It's at 0.061 at the moment, which is very cheap. So yeah, this will be a good buy as well. Potentially we could see that going up further. Dogecoin, yeah, definitely Dogecoin. So guys, if you like, please comment, please subscribe. And okay, all right. So let's see if I put my fibs to see where we at there for Dogecoin. Yeah, around the 38 area. Yeah, potentially this could either come in a bit deeper here. So literally, you could see a move like this happening. I'll get my brush out. You can see a move like this, and then continuing up, because we could see that breakout from here. We could see where that's happened. So the bears are in control at the moment. So potentially, I don't like to really buy from the 38 at the moment. For me, I'd rather wait until I see a little bit more price action, a little bit more candle rejection around this area before going in. Because at the moment, according to looking at my indicators anyway, I could see this potentially going like this. So a safe area would be around the 61 area, I would say. Yeah. So that's for Dogecoin. If you guys want to buy in at Dogecoin, even this price is quite good actually, around the 60 mark. So even if you bought here, that's still a good area. Or if you buy it around here, that's a good area. You can't go wrong. Can't go wrong at all. So yeah, please comment, please like, please subscribe, because I'm going to give you more juicy content. Yeah, so we could see that Dogecoin is above my 50 MA, and as I said from the last time, any price that is over my 50 MA is good. Very good. And that means it's bullish. So at the moment, potentially I could see a bearish move, a move coming out just like that. As we could see a breakout that's happened here. So usually when you get a breakout, you usually get a test of the breakout. So that breakout was around this area. Now it's testing this breakout around this area here. There's another type of candle sometimes that I look at, which is called Heineken candle, Ashi Heineken. So it kind of gives you a clearer picture of what price is doing. So yeah, I could definitely see a test of this area here and then going up again. So I'm going to look at another coin for you. So today is all about just looking at the coins that are very low. Adana is another one. So if we go to the cryptocurrency chart, let's see if it's in there. But yeah, but Adana is a very good one. I can't see it here. Look carefully, but yeah, let me go down to this chart here and just give you a closer look on Adana. Yeah, it's very bullish at the moment. So Dana is part of the cryptocurrency as well that is doing very well on the altcoin. Let's see what Dana's saying. You guys don't know exactly what this Adana is. Let me just give you a detailed explanation. I'm moving a bit slow today. Okay, we've got some news here, technicals. This is TradingView, by the way. If you guys haven't signed up to TradingView, TradingView is a very good site to sign up if you want to do your technical analysis. It's kind of a bit slow. Okay. Let me come back to that. Okay, can I see if any information on Adana on here? Yeah, here we go. Adana is actually called Cardano, is a robust proof of stake cryptocurrency that was created with a research-based approach by engineers, mathematicians, and cryptography experts. The project was co-founded by Charles Hodgkin. So if I just go through this, it literally, this site, Investopedia, tells you about the coins. So if you want to know more about the coins and what you're buying into, literally this site will give you a good explanation about the coins that you're buying, because I always like to research the coins that I'm buying. So due to its rigorous process, Cardano, otherwise known as Adana, seems to stand out among its proof stake peers as well as other large cryptocurrencies. Cardano has also been dubbed the Ethereum killer. Yeah, you guys know the Ethereum that's doing really well. It's quite high, as its blockchain is said to be capable of more. And that said, Cardano is still in its early stages. So that's why I'm saying these crypto altcoins are very good levels to buy, very cheap. While it has beaten Ethereum to the proof of stake consensus model, it still has a long way to go in terms of decentralized final applications. Cardano aims to be the financial operating system of the world by establishing decentralized financial products, similarly to Ethereum, as well as providing solutions for the chain. Yeah, so that this is another good one. Yeah. So if we go back to it, let's put the other candles. Yeah, so again, Cardinal, otherwise known as Adana, ADA USD, is a very good currency to buy as well, and it's quite cheap. It's only at 0.86 cents. Yeah, so that's a very, and it's been strong. So this was the breakout here. We could see, if we go to the 4 hour, we got a retrace that's happening right now. So yeah, this is a very good level to buy. So we could see a test that is done around this area here. So if I put a box here, yeah, this is another good area to buy up. So since January the 28th, we could see a strong movement to the upside of this year. So yeah, this is another good currency to buy. We could have a retrace around this level here, and then potentially moving up to the upside. So yeah, this is a very good currency to buy, and yeah, I'm tempted to buy into it myself, no doubt. Yeah, so you guys, this is a good level. All right, so we're going to look at another currency called Chainlink. You guys know about Chainlink. Chainlink is done the same thing. It's at 32 at the moment. That's not too bad. Let's see if it's on here. Chainlink. Yeah, there's Chainlink. It's at £24 at the moment. It's higher than the others, but you know, I believe that's got more room to grow. But yeah, this is a good site. You could just go for the lowest prices and buying that from there. So please comment if you like, because yeah, this is a very good site to take a look at price and get your coin at the right price and at a cheap price. Yeah, and you could always compare it to the other coins at the moment. So you could see the top coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum is at the top. As you could see, the price is quite high. And then you've got Cardinal, Adana, Ripple, Padlock, Polkadot, sorry, that's at 19,000. You've got Litecoin, Chainlink, you've got Dogecoin, you've got EOS, which is at 3.52. So let's go back. So we got Chainlink. So Chainlink, as I was saying, you could buy around this level here, which is very good. Very good level to buy it. Yeah. So this is a good level to buy in at right now. Let's see what else we got here. So usually I'll keep a red list of all the currencies that I'm potentially interested in. So we've got XLM. See what XLM is doing. Yeah, XLM is at a good price. All these current levels, they seem to be moving together at the same pace. So XLM, my screen's frozen at the moment, but XLM at 53 cents is a very good level to buy in at. So you could see the test around this level here, and potentially we could go up to the upside. So all of them seem to be moving at the same level. So it's quite easy to see what's going on. So yeah, definitely the altcoin season is here, and we're going to see a big move with these altcoins. And I believe this move will definitely happen within 2021. We could see the move starting to happen already. All right, so I'm going to go on and look at now. Let's go back to EOS USD, because I just want to point out something that I've seen at the moment. This mouse is giving me some trouble. Excuse me. Okay, we're back on now. Yeah, EOS right now, I could potentially see a movement as well, which I already stated going to the upside. But we're going to get a test. We've tested this area where it broke out around this level here. So I'll just draw in a box here. So we got the test there. Yeah, so you could see the bullish candles here, which is the blue one. The bearish candles we're looking at on the 1 hour time frame is the red ones. So when you see my red candles, these are bearish, blue candles are bullish. So it's heavily tested around this area on the 1 hour, as you could see, and potentially we're going to see an upside movement. So I could see EOS, which could get to around 70, literally past that actually, at least to looking at 70 to 2236, around that level. Okay, I'm going to zoom out. So yeah, I'm looking for that high to be broken. So I'm looking at definitely around these levels here, potentially going even further up. So yeah, once I get a clear break of that, then yeah, we're going to the moon. So I could definitely see on the 4 hour, we're testing this area here, where if you see this 4 hour candle here on the 13th of February, we had a bullish breakout here. And when any time price does that, it usually retests the breakout here. That's what it's done. So let me just draw this in. So we had a bullish candle here, we broke out. Anytime we break out of a resistant level, we always have to come back and test it, and this is what it's doing now. And then potentially here. So EOS is a good price to buy in at the moment. A very, very good price at the moment. So yeah, if you want to get in there and take your buys, then yeah, this is the time. So yeah, okay, let's put my fib, because I do like to use my fib to see how far this thing actually retraced. Fibs are a very good tool to use, and yeah, I've been learning to use this for a couple of years now. So yeah, my mentors train me quite well, and they do come in handy to see price action. As you could see, last week I was talking about fibs as well, and this week I would always talk about fibs because I want you guys to understand the power behind fibs to get the best prices to buy in at. And that's why if you can't get the best price to buy in it, then it's going to be difficult for you to actually jump into these markets. But yeah, you could see the golden levels on the fibs are always between the 60 and 71. So anytime there's a pullback going to happen, I usually wait for it to test around this level. And this level I call my golden ratio level here, which is right there. Let me change the color of that so it's a bit conflicting. Okay, there we go. Yeah, let's take a blue. Yeah. So it's actually tested my golden ratio level on EOS. So a good strong test is on the 4 hours. So usually I like to just go down to the 4-hour candle, because that will give me, you know, that true test. And it's been 4 hours that thing's been testing this level from the breakout here, and it's tested it quite well, and now it's going up. You see? If you like, please comment, please subscribe, because I'm going to give you more tips. And if you want to learn how to trade, just pick up some of my tips from here, and I would always give you that on my videos. So yeah, I'm looking for that to break that high, and literally when we usually break a high, we usually retest it. So I'm looking for this kind of move to happen. Excuse me for that. So I'm looking for a move like this. So we're looking for a breakout to the upside, come back down, retest this level here to the 0, and then go straight back up. Yeah, that's the kind of level that I'm looking at. So even if you guys didn't get in or don't get in at the buy here, you could always buy once it's broken past this previous high. Yeah, this is the previous low, this is the previous high, this is the retrace. I'm looking for a breakout from here. So yeah, these coins are hot commodities at the moment because they're at a low price, and you know these are good levels to buy in at the moment. Yeah, so fibs, if you want to learn about fibs, then please subscribe. And if you want to learn even more about trading, then just send me a message, and we could speak and I could teach you, of course, about it. Of course, for a small payment, I'll teach you something that is going to give you a skill for life. But if you just want to learn and just pick up some stuff, I will always give you little pointers about the fibs. But yeah, this is looking good, looking very good. Okay, yeah, my computer's a bit slow at the moment today, maybe because I've got all these screens open. But yeah, we could see, if you want to zoom down to see actually what price is doing, you can see on the 1 hour, you could see what it's done. You could see the test that it's done here for EOS. I'll just widen up the screen so you can see more in detail what's going on. You could see that test there perfectly on my golden ratio. What happens if it breaks past my golden ratio, then I would expect price to break this leg here that it created first, but it hasn't done that. It stayed around this level, so potentially I'm looking for the upside movement here. And if I was going in for it for a buy, if I was like trading myself without putting it in a wallet and just trading, my stop loss would probably be around this level here. So potentially if my stop loss was to get hit, I lose a small amount, and I know for sure that it's going to at least test this 100 or even potentially break down to the downside. But since the 10th of February this year, see this level, it's broken out and it tested again here. it's been very strong, and it's been bullish ever since. 50 MA is above my 50 MA, and it continues to be bullish here, as you could clearly see. Yeah, it's definitely altcoin season, and that's why my interest is in altcoins at the moment rather than Bitcoin, because the cheap levels that you could buy in it and put a small amount to gain more. Yeah, so EOS is looking very good, very, very good. So guys, yeah, I've touched on a few currency pairs at the moment. I've touched on, you know, the levels where you can buy in at the moment. The other pairs that I literally touched on, just like EOS, at these points here, is a very good level to buy in at here. Even Ethereum right now, even though it's at a high price, it's, you know, it's still bullish at the moment. But for me, if I'm gonna buy Ethereum, I'd rather buy it at a low price, or I'd rather buy it if it breaks this high, because Ethereum looks a bit, you know, weak at the moment. But if I'm gonna buy in, I'd rather buy in above my 50 MA here, which has got to be above this level here. But again, Ethereum is very, very high. XLM is another crypto altcoin. Let's see where it is now. Yeah, that's retesting this breakout area as it looks, and it's very bullish as well. Yeah, so otherwise known as Stellar. Yeah, XLM, otherwise known as Stellar. So I've got a hot list of here, all the coins that I'm looking at here: Ethereum, Litecoin, but main ones I'm looking at: Padlock, Stellar, Chainlink. Those are the main ones, and EOS that I just talked about. But yeah, EOS I would say is a very good one to buy in at right now. XLM is very bullish as well. So you could see that it's pulled back as well. Same thing. It's tested this level around here. Let's see. Let's get my fibs. Let's see what it's doing. We can see a bullish move here. I should have pressed on that. Yeah. Okay. It's a bit slow at the moment. I'm tempted to just stop this right now, but guys, I want to give you just a little bit more information about this coin here. Okay, let's put my fib on this level here. Yeah, potentially I could see a little pullback happening here before continuing up, but again, XLM, otherwise known as Stellar, is quite bullish as well. But yeah, these are the coins that I've been, you know, starting to look at, because I just don't want to look at just XRP. I want to have a, you know, a nice portfolio and potentially look at other coins literally that is gonna make you good money. So potentially, yeah, I could see a retrace for XLM happening, potentially going down to this level here. So yeah, I could see a drop happening here before continuing up here like that. So again, XLM, I wouldn't buy in at this level here personally. I'll probably buy in at around this level, 0.39. Yeah, that would be a very good level to buy in at. Yes, because yeah, it is dropping a bit. However, I'll just wait until that retraces either to this area around here. Once we got the rejection around this area, then I'll look to buy. So any area around this level. So you're looking at that 38, but I prefer to buy in it around the 61, if anything. But we could get some consolidation around this level before continuing up as well. So that's looking quite strong. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it today, and I gave you some value of what's going on. If we go back, yeah, if you're wondering what coins to buy in at, please even check out, yeah, just check out Kraken, check out CoinDesk as well. because that will give you the prices as well of coins. So CoinDesk is very good. You could check out the prices there. Stellar, we talked about. Ethereum, Chainlink, Cardinal, where is it? EOS, we talked about as well. So yeah, definitely check that out. I hope you enjoyed today, and again, I will bring out another video and I'll continue to look at all these coins to see where it's at. So yeah, please join the next video. Please subscribe, and yeah, I'll give you more content this week. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. All right.